Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's lecture, we will start our new chapter, Decision Making Statement. Decision Making Statement means we are going to perform some particular statement based on the outcome of the condition. If your condition is true, then we will perform particular statement, and if it is not true, we will perform particular statement or regarding to that true and false conditions. In decision making statement, there are 5 different statements or 5 different concepts. Here you can see it: simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, if else if ladder statement, and last switch case statement. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about simple if statement. In this all concept, we will understand first its information, then its syntax, then its flowchart, and last its program and output. So in simple if statement, the syntax for this simple if statement is if, which is a keyword, if in bracket condition, then we will write curly bracket, opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, and in between we are writing the statement body or statement block. Here I write statement block A. After the closing statement, I write statement X and semicolon. So the flowchart of this concept is like that: single input, then decision making statement, case condition. If it is true, then it will go for statement block A, then it will go for statement block X, and it will continue or it will stop. And if your condition is not true, then it will directly jump out of that particular body and execute statement number X, then to the next statement or to the stop. Means what? If your condition is true, then it will execute your statement, else it will not execute your statement. Regarding this concept, we have one small program. In this program, we are going to find whether the student is fail or not. If its marks is less than 23 marks, then the result will be you are fail, else there will be no output. So the C program of this particular concept is like that. First, hash include str.h, hash include conio.h, which is our header file. Then our main function, void main, then the opening braces of that particular main function. Here we are going to take some variables like integer, marks, CLR, SCR for clearing screen, printf, enter your marks, scanf, %d, ampersand marks. So the marks are going to store into particular mark variable that will user input from the keyboard. Now our concept: if marks less than 23, if it is yes, then printf sorry you are fail. After that, get ch and the closing bracket of our program means if your marks is less than 23, then and then it will execute sorry you are fail. If your marks is more than 23, then it will not execute your output. So here it is. We understand the basic information of this decision making statement, the category of decision making statement. We understand the simple if statement. Regarding this today's topic, I prepared a small quiz of this topic. The link is mentioned in description. Please go through that link, attempt the exam. If you found any error or any doubt, please mention it in comment. So this is it for today. We are signing off. Thank you.